Welcome back to the Capital Clarity community. Today, we're diving into top 5 investment strategies for beginners. Subscribe, hit like, and let's empower your financial future. Strategy 1. Diversification. As a beginner, spread investments across various assets to manage risk. We'll explore types, the importance of balance, and real-world examples for a solid foundation. Strategy 2. Dollar cost averaging. For stress-free market entry, try dollar cost averaging. Breakdown, implementation guide, and real-world applications for stocks or cryptocurrencies. Strategy 3. Value investing. Discover value investing. Finding undervalued assets with growth potential. Principles, evaluation tips, and insights from renowned investors. Strategy 4. Index fund investing. Consider index fund investing, a passive strategy for beginners. Benefits, comparisons, and guidance on building a diversified portfolio. Strategy 5. Education and research. Knowledge is power. Learn the importance of continuous education, reliable sources, and staying informed for making sound investment decisions. There you have it, top 5 investment strategies for beginners. Investing is a journey. Stay informed, take your time, and align strategies with your financial goals. If you found this helpful, share, and comment on your favorite strategy. Until next time, this is Capital Clarity, signing off. Happy investing!